Morning rain taps on the glass, whispers of dreams we let pass. Coffee steam rising in the haze, lost in time and endless days. Guitar strings hum soft and sweet, melody where shadows meet. Bass notes play a tender tune, brushes sweep away the gloom. In this sleepy cafe glow, moments drift like falling snow. Warmth of hearts in cups we found, serenade of life's soft sound. Chatter fades to quiet hum, pages turn with every strum. Books of stories old and new, lines of life we read them through. Outside world a blur of gray, inside peace where love can play. Sipping thoughts with every sip, finding warmth in every drip. Echoes of a world so vast, captured in a moment past. Eyes that meet with silent grace, touch of time, a fleeting trace. In this sleepy cafe glow, moments drift like falling snow. Warmth of hearts in cups we found, serenade of life's soft song. Chatter fades to quiet hum, pages turn with every strum. Books of stories old and new, lines of life we read